again. Alright, right here we've got a 2011 PK Series Ford Ranger. 3 litre turbo diesel, WE engine. There's 4-drive manual. And here it is, lots of bells and whistles on this one. Wasn't water affected vehicle, just have water on the carpet, so that's good. Very clean, tidy car. It's only done 92,462 kilometres. Pretty much standard stuff in here. Got a few extras outside. Got some nice black seats, cloth in good condition, electric windows and mirrors. Got a good door, mudguard, good wheels and tyres. Got an ARB bull bar. Had the winch already removed before I got here. Scratch on there, broken bit there. Get this bottom open for you. There we have the engine. Turning away nicely. I've got a few bits and pieces on. Got a bit of moisture in the headlights there. Good grill. Nice leafing switch. Okay, we've got the ARB bull bar. We've got a snorkel. So good tyres, tiny mark on the door, and trim in there, in there. It's got this safety cell roll bar assembly on it. Not a bad unit. Obviously you have spotlights on the top there, out under there, under there. Pretty neat setup. Hasn't been rolled over yet, you don't want to use it, it's just there in case you need it. Hopefully you never do. Bull bar. Tray's not bad, it's had some, obviously had some toolboxes on the back, they've taken them, had some holes, drill holes there, but it was a neat tray. There is a neat tray still. Read that, you can read that. It's also got a long range fuel tank. All in there, neat and tidy. And suspension's been done, obviously some aftermarket shocks in there. And this thing here, little tube carrying things. Alright, there it is. Clean, tidy car. Just got a dent in the right front door, a little dent there. Alright. There it is. This car is for dismantling, wrecking. So if you need any parts for your 2011 Ranger, engine, transmission, whatever, give us a call and we'll help you out on 0246 461733. And I'll go and put this one to bed now. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.